Islam's 5 precepts. Islam's fundamental principles and practices are known as the 5 pillars. Faith declaration, Shahada. The foundational principle of Islam is that there is no God but God, and Muhammad is the messenger of God. The Quran, Islam's holy book of divine revelations, is one example of an artifact that frequently prominently displays this Arabic phrase. Reciting this phrase with sincerity makes one a Muslim. Salat, or prayer. 5 times a day, Muslims face Mecca to pray, at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset, and after nightfall. A tiny rug or mat used specifically for praying is occasionally used during prayer, which also includes reciting the first verse, surah, of the Quran. Giving, zakat. Muslims are required by Islamic law to give a set percentage of their income to neighborhood residents in need. Building mosques, drinking fountains, hospitals, schools, and other institutions is a common practice among rulers and affluent Muslims, both out of obligation to their religion and to reap the rewards of charitable giving.